Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to secure quartz countertops. First, gather your essential tools like a caulk gun, silicone adhesive, shims, and a reliable level. Next, ensure your base cabinets are perfectly level and securely installed. This foundational step is crucial for a stable countertop. Finally, thoroughly clean the top edges of your cabinets to ensure optimal adhesion for the silicone. Now, let's apply the adhesive. Using your caulk gun, lay a continuous, quarter-inch bead of silicone adhesive along the top edges of your base cabinets. Focus on the perimeter and any support areas where the countertop will rest. Remember, a consistent bead is key. Avoid applying too much, as this can lead to messy squeeze-out when you set the quartz slab. With the adhesive applied, it's time to set the countertop. Carefully lower the quartz slab onto the cabinet bases, aligning it precisely. Once in place, use shims to achieve a perfectly level surface. Check for levelness in multiple directions with your spirit level, making small adjustments until it's just right. This ensures a stable and even countertop. For the final steps, apply additional silicone to firmly secure any backsplash pieces you might be installing. Once everything is in place, allow the silicone adhesive to cure completely. This usually takes about 24 hours. During this curing period, it's important to avoid placing any heavy objects on the new countertop to ensure a strong, lasting bond.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.